Yeah, 6. I can feel it. I can feel it. Yeah. Usually I don't do my braids. I don't do anything tie. Yeah, that's good. Just because this area of my hair is tender-headed, so I don't like to add much moisturizer than I need. My lips are dry. Yeah, but this area is quite fine, so but yeah. What is this braid doing? Okay, so I don't know how I get this one to lay down, but hold it down. So got all my braids done. This one is a bit longer. To be honest, I'm not sure what side is longer than which. I want to say my left has always been longer than my right. Oh, you can't see. Left has always been longer than my right, but I'm not so sure. So I've just got all my braids. This is the result of the hair that I've trimmed. Relatively, it's not that much. It will improve the rest of the health of my hair. But then with regular trims comes like I don't know, it just does something to your hair. I can't really put it into words, but it works. So yeah.